The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. The fall is my favorite time of year. For every person who has ever lived there has come, at last, a spring he will never see. Autumn arrives in early morning, but spring at the close of a winter day. I know the lands are lit, with all the autumn blaze of goldenrod. Nothing is farther than earth from heaven. Nothing is nearer than heaven to earth. I believe in God, only I spell it nature. The sky is the part of creation in which nature has done for the sake of pleasing man. A hen is only an egg's way of making another egg. The ocean is a mighty harmonist.